What's up guys? All good? My name is Amelia. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Divine Prayer before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Divine Prayer works. Are you searching for a prayer program to deepen your spiritual connection and bring more peace and wealth into your life? Look no further than the Divine Prayer. Let's check out this fantastic program in our review. It's crafted by a group of experts who truly grasp how life-transforming prayer can be. Regardless of whether you're new to prayer or have been practicing for years, the Divine Prayer is ready to elevate your spiritual journey to a whole new level. Let's delve in and see what makes this program so heavenly. Overview of the prayer program and its creators. The Divine Prayer Program is an innovative prayer routine specially crafted to assist people in fostering a richer spiritual connection and bringing their wishes to fruition. Our team of adept spiritual practitioners, who brought this program to life, skillfully blends age-old wisdom with contemporary methods to lead users on a life-changing journey. The minds behind the Divine Prayer are not just creators. They're seasoned experts in spirituality and personal growth. They've spent years diving deep into diverse religious traditions. With this experience, they've skillfully developed a prayer program that connects with individuals from all types of backgrounds. The Divine Prayer is designed to help people evolve their prayer life beyond the usual ways. Its goal is to give people the tools to draw on the divine power that resides within them, aligning with their deepest intentions. Unlike some prayer programs that focus only on chanting specific prayers or mantras, the Divine Prayer creates a more holistic experience. It combines visualizing techniques, positive affirmations, and meditation practices to truly deepen and enhance each prayer session. What makes the Divine Prayer truly unique from other programs is its all-inclusive approach. It doesn't just guide you on how to pray effectively. It also enlightens you about the fundamental principles of manifestation and spiritual growth. This empowers you to better grasp the workings behind generating positive shifts in your life. When you consistently engage with the Divine Prayer program, you'll likely find many positive changes in your life. You might discover you have more clarity and peace of mind, better relationships, and growing prosperity in every aspect of your life. You'll also experience spiritual growth. Many people who've embraced this program have said they've seen huge changes in their lives in just a short amount of time. People from all walks of life have spoken out about how the Divine Prayer program has positively impacted their lives. They've shared heartfelt stories about overcoming obstacles, realizing their goals, and undergoing deep personal change. Their reviews and their successful outcomes give living proof that this program works effectively. The Divine Prayer is definitely worth a shot if you're on a spiritual journey seeking guidance or are in search of practical methods to make your dreams come true. Its unique strategy and demonstrated success speak volumes. If you're keen to begin with the Divine Prayer, just hop over to their official website and sign up for the course. It's that easy. What is the purpose of the Divine Prayer? The Divine Prayer program has been designed with a special intent to help people establish a deeper connection with a higher power and integrate the strength of prayer into their daily lives. This unique program is the heartfelt creation of a group of spiritual professionals. Their broad knowledge spans several religious traditions, and they've seen firsthand how powerful prayer can be as a tool for improving overall well-being. In our bustling modern world, countless folks are on the hunt for paths towards tranquility, understanding, and direction in life. The Divine Prayer provides a well-organized method to prayer, empowering individuals to foster their spiritual bond and nurture a sense of serene inner calm. This program equips participants with helpful strategies and resources to enrich their prayer life, such as guided meditations, affirmations, and visualization exercises. These methods aid people in calming their minds, fostering an openness to divine wisdom. By incorporating regular prayer into their daily routine, participants can experience profound shifts in their mindset, emotions, relationships, and overall life experiences. The divine prayer encourages individuals to let go of limiting beliefs and trust in the power of divine intervention. Furthermore, the purpose of the divine prayer is not solely focused on personal transformation, but also extends its reach outwardly by promoting love, compassion, and unity among humanity as a whole. It aims at creating positive ripple effects within communities around the world through collective prayers for global healing. The Divine Prayer Program aims to do more than just aid personal development. It's about helping people feel more connected to something bigger than themselves and spreading positivity all around the world.